Okay, when we're talking about low voltage landscape lighting in particular, we use a bulb bright series of MR16s in our fixtures. We actually have 8 different bulbs we can use in it. It's a bi-pin LED MR16. They're 8 and 9 watts. They give you the equivalent of 35 and 50 watts of what we used to get when it was halogen, and they're up in the 5 to 550 lumens there take up in the upper end. So what happens, we have 4 beam spreads and 2 intensities. It gives us 8 bulbs. So if you got a really tall, thin tree that's 20 or 30 feet, you might use a real narrow beam lamp. If it's a short, stubby tree, you might use the 8 watt, which is a lower wattage and a wide flood, just to catch the whole plant. So knowing beam spreads and understanding them is critically important when you do low voltage landscape lighting. It's probably the #1 thing that people miss. The other thing is always use 2700K when it comes to outdoor low voltage landscape lighting. Don't be using 3000K color temperature. Don't be using higher than that. It should be 2700K. It's going to give you the best look in almost every scenario.